Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to set or change your lock screen security step by step. Want to keep your phone safe from others? You can set pattern, PIN, or password in just a few taps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on Password and Security option. Step 2. Now select Lock Screen Passwords. You may need to enter your current phone password. Step 3. After verification, you will see lock options. These include None, Slide to Unlock, Pattern, PIN, or Alphanumeric Password. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android security tips and smartphone tutorials every week. Step 4. Choose the lock type you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Step 5. Confirm your new lock method. Boom! Your phone security is now fully set up. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple Android guides and useful tech tips every week.